Hi, today's video is regarding HP Envoy 5010, how to replace or install the ink cartridges. Now the first step is to switch on the printer, and once it is on, we open the chamber. So there is a place to lift this from like that, and you open this chamber and it will hold itself. Now wait for the cartridges to come this side, and now we are going to open this. So there is a, you can see lock here, so just open these locks and you'll see the cartridges are just simply coming out. And the cartridge number for this printer is 65. And now to install the cartridges, you just simply place it in and just close this lock. It will stabilize the cartridge inside itself. So you just have to only place it here and just it will slide it inside. And once it is done, so just uplift this chamber and force it little bit downside and it will go itself in. On the display screen, it might be possible the printer will print a print alignment page, and that we can scan on the screen. If not, then it's ready and now we can use it. Thanks for watching.